Getting ready to sell your house? Let me give you a heads up on a shift we're seeing at the market. During the pandemic, there was a frenzy of buyers competing over the limited number of houses for sale. To stand out, some of them decided to skip the home inspection. While the market is still competitive today, the peak intensity have eased, and that means buyers can be more selective. And with that, home inspections have made a major comeback. Check out this recent data from Realtor.com. 95% of today's buyers are requesting home inspections. That's why sellers like you are getting ahead of the inspection, with 95% of sellers making some updates or repairs prior to listing. Taking care of some of the things you know will come up in an inspection before you list is a smart move. It can help your house appeal to more buyers from the start and will likely save you some time and hassle later on in the process. How do you prioritize what to tackle now and what to hold off on? That's where we come in. We often advise our sellers to get their own home inspection before the house goes on the market. There are several benefits to this. First, you will get a heads up on possible inspection issues and even some things you may not be aware of. By having this knowledge in advance, you can either correct the issues or disclose them to potential buyers so that they're aware of them. Second, in this fast-paced seller's market we're in now, a buyer might just decide to rely on your home inspection and save time and potential negotiation problems. We're happy to talk with you and show you how our sales strategies can get your house sold quickly for the most money for you and with the least amount of problems. We're Cummings and Jim Lee with RE/MAX Shoreline. Thanks for watching, and before you go, hit the subscribe button below and get a heads up about our next weekly market update. You can find lots more great seller tips on our website, annandjim.net. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.